Sharda Motor Industries Ltd, an automotive components manufacturer. The company was founded in the year 1986 and got listed on BSE in 2013. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 600 employees and 2,600 workers. Company has 10 manufacturing plants located pan-India, with 3 sales offices. They also have one design and development center in South Korea. The market cap of the company is 4,570 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,537 rupees per share. The company has a 46% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 57% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is 100% debt-free, which is a good sign. The two main products of the company are exhaust systems, with production capacity of 10 lakh units per annum, and suspension systems, with production capacity of 1,80,000 units per annum. Apart from this, company also manufactures other products like catalytic converters, roof systems, supply chain management and procurement, and parts for white goods industry such as refrigerators, washers, and dryers. Over the years, company has secured collaboration with German-based Purem, USA-based Bestop, and India-based Kinetic Green. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing year on year. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 17 rupees and 27 paise per share was paid in September 2023. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Company have clientele from various segments. Some clients of the company are Mahindra, Escorts Tractors, Force Motors, TAFE Tractors, Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, SML Isuzu, Cummins, Carrier, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2021, company entered into a joint venture with Kinetic Green for lithium battery manufacturing. In 2023, they have set up a new manufacturing plant in Chakan, India. The current market share of the company for exhaust systems is 30% and 10% for suspension systems. They have an experienced management team. Company aims to expand the export market in Europe and the United States. Currently, they export to only one international client in US, with revenue concentration of 3% from exports and 97% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.